I like visiting fashion outlets, and there are many in Europe that I have visited, but I had not yet visited an outlet in Poland, but I was very curious about it. So we traveled to Poland to visit the Stettin fashion outlet there, and we really had no idea what to expect there. Once we arrived, our first impression was already good. It feels and looks very modern. Let's first walk around and take a good look at the outlet before we check out some prices we're so curious about. Most major brands can be found in this outlet. I am pleasantly surprised. And brands I've never heard of. And by the way, I can definitely recommend Polish food. And now I'll show you some random items to give you an impression of what the price level is here in Poland. These sneakers aren't really cheap for an outlet, to be honest. But on the other hand, the price of this children's scooter is reasonable. This video is meant to give you a first impression of a Polish fashion outlet. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe or like. Thank you, you helped me a lot with it.